Over here, Hannah. Over here. See if we can find something under these buckets over here, okay? Alright. See if we can find something under this bucket, okay? I'm going to move this one. See anything? Bugs? Don't see anything? Okay. Let's go over here to this one. Here. Let's move this purple one. There's anything there. Anything? Nothing there. Darn it. You're alright, Toby. You're alright. Let's move this green for bugs. Ugh, nothing there. Move the blue one. Find anything? Nothing. Darn it. This other green one. Ready, Hannah? Nothing. Darn it. Pretty cleaned under the tarp. Hey, no fighting. Over here. Come here. Over here, we'll move this tub. Okay, if we got some bugs up back here. Anything? No. We're just coming up short. I'm sorry. Just coming up short. Got no bugs. Got no bugs. Sorry, Hannah. There's always bugs over here, right? Let's move this. Ready, Toby? Ready for bugs? Let's move it. Oh, good bugs under there, huh? Yeah, good bugs. Okay, Hannah, I'm gonna move this. You ready, honey? Oh, it's fall. I don't know if I can lift it today. Oh boy. Oh boy, those country bugs are so good. Yeah, I know. I know. I can't move it any farther. It's too heavy. Move this one again. Oh, Hannah.